Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Mobile Mining and Trading. I am Dixon and I'm here to give you a quick real-time update after my tireless research to bring you the absolute finest opportunities in the crypto space. Before we dive into the goldmine of information I've prepared for you today, do me a huge favor. If you're new here or even if you're a returning viewer, please hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to like this video and most importantly, smash that notification bell so you never miss out on time-sensitive updates like this one. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you top-tier content. Today, we're talking about understanding cryptocurrency mobile mining. In our fast-growing digital economy, mobile crypto mining is creating a massive wave of financial freedom and opportunity. Imagine this. With just your smartphone and a few taps a day, you can start building a passive income stream with minimal effort and, in most cases, zero initial investment. It's your gateway to future wealth. I've curated a list of 16 high-potential mining networks that can set you on the path to incredible long-term gains. Let's get started. First on our list is the giant Pi network. Developed by Stanford PhDs, Pi is a revolutionary digital currency trusted by over 55 million users globally. It's one of the pioneers in mobile mining and has a massive community. If you're not on Pi yet, you're missing out. Use the link in the description and my invitation code, DICMUS. Copy and paste it to ensure you join my team and get a bonus. Next up, number 2 is TCC Network. TCC Network makes it super easy to start earning through mobile mining. It's a straightforward platform with a growing user base. The link is in the description, and my referral code is BabyTrump. Remember, using these codes often boosts your initial mining rate, so don't skip that step. Number 3 is Rabbit Network. This one is all about making cloud mining easy. What's great is you earn 10 Rabbit coins instantly just for signing up. It's a nice little welcome gift to get you started. Check the Google Play Store link in the description and use my refer code, BabyTrump. Coming in at number 4, we have Ruby Network. With Ruby, you mine Ruby assets and you get a free 1,500 mana bonus right off the bat. Mana helps boost your mining, so it's a fantastic head start. The link to join is Ruby, click, and my code is OSAMBASAIZYAMANA. It's a long one, so definitely copy and paste it from the description below. At number 5 is Delta Network. This is an interesting one. It's a password-free, open-source digital money platform built on the internet computer. It's forward-thinking and secure. You can download it using the link. And you'll need my referrer DID, which is Aero8FRUQ45YFTX9. Again, copy and paste is your best friend here. Let's take a quick pause. We're only 5 networks in, and I hope you're already seeing the immense potential here. If you're getting value from this, please smash that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more people. And if you have any questions so far, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't already. Alright, back to it. Number 6 is TTCoin. A big selling point for TTCoin is that no KYC is required. It's simple, fast, and secure. For those who value their privacy and want to get started quickly, this is a great option. The link is in the description, and it already has my referral code embedded in it. Number 7 on our list is Kiva Network. Kiva Network is all about accessibility. It's an easy-to-use platform that aims to bring crypto mining to everyone, regardless of their technical knowledge. A very user-friendly interface. The registration link is waiting for you in the description, and the code you'll need is 2N9261. Moving on to number 8, Cellcoin Mining. This is a unique one because you mine Cellcoin directly through Telegram. It has a built-in wallet and it's incredibly convenient if you are already a heavy Telegram user. Just click the bot link in the description and it will start you off with my referral. It's that simple. At number 9, we have Sidra Chain. Sidra Chain positions itself as a reliable and secure chain for mobile mining. Security is paramount in the crypto world, so projects that prioritize it always catch my eye. You can join using the link and my referral code, which is BabyTrump. Number 10 is the well-known B Network. It calls itself the world's largest Web3 social mining platform. It has a huge active community, and you get 1 free B token just for joining. It's another one of those projects that's great to be a part of early on. My invitation code is BabyTrump and the link is in the description. We're more than halfway through and the opportunities just keep coming. At number 11, we have PX Network. With PX Network, you can mine PX coin with zero hardware. It's designed to be fast, simple, and rewarding, operating entirely on your phone. Find the Play Store link below and use my code PBVYZRONI to get your starter boost. Number 12 is CPEN Network. This is a really exciting ecosystem. With CPEN and its partner platform WowEarn, you can earn across various Web3 projects. It's not just a single mining app, but a gateway to a broader world of earning. The link is cpn.io, and my invitation code is, you guessed it, BabyTrump. Make sure you use it to link up with my earning team. Coming in at number 13 is AriChain. AriChain focuses heavily on security with its Ari wallet. You download the wallet and you can start earning. For those who want that extra peace of mind, this is a solid choice. The code you need is 6831C72C27330. As always, copy and paste from the description to avoid any typos. At number 14, we have Tickcoin Network. I love their approach. They emphasize that the more active partners you have, the higher your rewards. It's all about teamwork. By joining my team, we boost each other's earnings. It's a win-win. The invitation link is in the description, and the code is GRPLF3WX5LA. Let's earn together. And finally, at number 15, we have My Tier. Simple and to the point. My Tier lets you join and start earning instantly. No complex setups, just get in and get mining. The invite code is BabyTrump, and the link is mytier.io, a great hassle-free option to add to your portfolio. I'm stopping at 15 for today to keep things focused, but what a list. So why should you wait? These mobile mining apps offer you early entry into promising projects, referral bonuses that boost your earnings, and a genuine chance at building long-term digital wealth. The key is to start now. The earlier you join these networks, the more you can accumulate before the assets potentially hit the mainnet and gain significant value. Remember, every link and invitation code for all these networks is listed in the description below. The best and safest way to use them is to copy and paste. This guarantees you get your bonuses and are connected to my mining team, which often results in a higher mining rate for you. Don't just click and forget. Make sure that code is in the referral box. If you have any questions about any of these platforms, or if you're mining something else you think is amazing, let me know in the comments. Let's build a community of informed mobile miners right here. And for one last time, if this video has been helpful, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. It's the best way to stay ahead in the fast-moving world of crypto. Thank you so much for watching and for your incredible support. I am Dixon, and I'll catch you in the next video with more real-time updates and opportunities. Stay safe and keep mining.